Hey, hello everyone. We are going to discuss that if we have a data set and we want to apply any type of ML model, then like what are the things that we always do initially before choosing any ML model. So first, we take an data set and then we start to like use some of the libraries, which is Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and also Scalar for choosing your model. Then we read our file using Pandas and using some of the functions of the Pandas, like seeing the you know head, like first rows like head and tail, shape, and also shape for seeing the how many like numbers of the rows and column we have. And then we have to go with the column function, like it will show you the all the columns name of the data set. Then we can go with the like info, describe, and then delete duplicate, like remove duplicate. And we can also see the null values in null is null dot sum. Then after this we can fill the null values with the mean, median, or mode. It depends on the data set that. So if you have outlier, then we have to go with the median. It is good because it does not affect the median. So like we have to go with the median. If you have a right is good, okay, right is good and left is good, then we have to go with the median. And if you have none values in categorical, then we have to go with the mode. Then so these are the things that we do initially. And I think it depends on the data set, and we have to also see the outliers using a graph like Seaborn library we have to use. And then we have to use there is a concept, there is a chart which is a box plot for outliers. Then we have to remove the outliers also. Like it's not mandatory to remove outliers every time, it's depend on the data set. And we have lots of concept of the like outlier, like you know IQR, capping. So there are several concept of the outlier, and it's depend on the data set that which we have to use. And then we have to also scale the value between 0 and 1, so our model, our computer can understand that how the features is also like connected to each other. And before this we have to also see the heat map, like how the like one feature is connected to another feature, they are related or not, they are correlated or not, like a feature to the target, they are related or not, like how much they are related, we have to remove it or not. So we have to do these kinds of thing. And also we have to take the some of the data set for training and and some of the data set for testing, like 80% for training and 20 for testing. Then we can choose our model depend on the data set. Like if you have a regression problem, then you can go with the random forest. But if we have a you know a data set which is a classification problem, if you have a, then you can go with the random random forest classifier or logistic regression. Okay. And if you have a, so yeah, you do this, and after that you can train your model. Then you have to take your then you can test, then you can test. And you can like use a matrix, like if you have a classification, then you can go with the accuracy score. And if you have a regression problem, you can go with the R2 score. So this is the concept that we have to always use. This is the like flow. And you can also use cross validation if you have a like overfitting model. So yeah, these are the things that we have to use. And then you can use your front end for making an application like HTML front end. Then you can use HTML front end. So this is the flow basically we always go. Thank you.